Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel Exotic All. Those who are new to the channel, here I share some known unknown facts of all the exotic species. Let us have fun knowing about these fascinating lives God has given to our beautiful Mother Earth. Do subscribe my channel, like the videos, and don't forget to click on that bell icon. Before we jump in the video, let me share a message. These times are difficult and risky, so please take care of your health, friends. And please don't leave your house unless at most required. Be safe. Welcome back to another video. So today's video's topic was a special request from my niece. She came across this unique bat called Honduran White Bat. Let us know more about this amazing creature. The Honduran bat is a palm-sized bat whose fur is completely white. Their scientific name is Ectophila alba. It is the only species in the genus Ectophila, which means outleaf in Greek. This describes the mammal's nose. Alba is derived from the Latin word albus and means white. This describes the bat's fur. They are identified by their all-white fur and leaf-shaped nose. It has no tail and it ranges from 1.46 to 1.85 inches in length with a wingspan of about 4 inches. It has yellow nose, lips and ears because of carotenoids. The pigment that give carrots their orange color are deposited in these areas of the bat's body. Its ears are large and round and jagged around the edges with 4 to 5 tiny lobes. The edge of the nose is also sawtooth and it has what appears to be tiny warts beneath its mouth. Some scientists believe this helps the bat in echolocation. Since it flies at night and its eyesight isn't too good, echolocation helps the bat to find food. They make sure they build their nest a short distance from a particular type of fig tree, for the bat only eats the fruit of this tree. One of the most fascinating things this small flying mammals does is construct leaf tents. They make them mostly out of the leaves of heliconias, a large tropical flowering plant. The bat uses its teeth to cut out the side veins that grows out of the rib of the plant's large leaves. This causes them to fold over and form a tent. It takes some weeks to build tents. The bat prefers younger leaves because they are easier to manipulate and bite through. A larger tent can hold as many as 15 bats. The bat's preferred habitat is the wet tropical forest found in Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Panama and Honduras. The animal isn't territorial and won't fight for the right to own a particular tent. The tropical rainforests of Central America are ideal because the warm and humid climate allows the figs the bat eats to be available all year. The bat's predators are carnivores that can find and reach their roost either by flying or climbing. These include owls and other birds of prey, snakes and monkeys including squirrel monkeys and capuchin monkeys. The Honduran white bats does not seem to be subject to parasites or diseases that attack them specifically. Their tents protect them from rain, wind and heat of the sun. The Honduran white bat breeds during the warmer, wetter months in Central America. Females release pheromones to signal their readiness to mate. One male mates with the females in a roost, then returns to his bachelor colony when they give birth. All the females in the roost give birth around the same time. After about 3 weeks of pregnancy, each female has one baby or pup. A baby bat can weigh a third of mother's weight when they are born. Yet, they cling to mother's body until they are simply too heavy to carry. When this happens and the mother must leave the roost to look for food, the other females will take care of her baby and even nurse it. They are completely independent when they are 35 days old. Though scientists aren't sure how long Honduran white bats live in the wild, a similar species can live as long as 19.5 years while in captivity. There is a question whether a Honduran white bat is a carnivorous, herbivorous, or omnivorous. The answer for that is Honduran bats is distinctive because it is none of those. It is frugivore, that is, it only eats fruits. So with this, we come to the end of today's video, friends. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on these white bats. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, be safe. And yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends.